Hi everyone. So today we are going to start a topic called linear arrangements. Hope you all people are aware of this topic, linear arrangement. Normally, what do you mean by arrangement? For you, what is an arrangement? Can I say that arrangement is nothing but a sequence? Okay. So in the mathematics part, in the aptitude part, when you go for any competitive exams or a bank exams, normally what will happen? This kind of arrangement, a sequence related problems are very frequently asked. So today we will discuss about the topic called linear arrangements. So let us go for the basic parts of linear arrangements. So I'll show you one of the Word document here where little basics about linear arrangements are discussed. So shall we go through this? Okay. Okay. So if you see on a board, there is something called direction sense. So our topic is all about a linear arrangements, right? Our topic is about linear arrangement. Now in the linear arrangement, what is the basic concept? You know that what is the meaning of linear? What is linear? Yeah, arranging the things in a straight line, which is on a row basis. Okay, if you see on a paper, you are observing that. So the line is given here. So whenever there is an arrangement, so the problems can be in such a way that the people are sitting in this particular line. So when the persons are sitting on a particular line, obviously they'll be either sitting on the direction which is shown in this way or the direction shown it in a down way. So can I call the direction which is shown in a upward? Can I call it as a northward directions? Yes. So what about the directions which is shown below? Can I call it as a southward direction? Yeah. So there are two kind of problems you will be getting. So whenever we are dealing with the linear arrangements, either you have to showcase the people either towards northwards or towards southward. Now let us see. When the people are sitting in a northward direction, what kind of questions are asked? So the first point, what will happen is, the first question is, suppose the person is sitting in a northward direction, which is nothing but the person is sitting towards this direction. Now, when the person is sitting under this direction, what will happen? Now, what is the right side for this person and what is the left side of this person? So, obviously, when a person, just imagine yourself, you people are sitting in this particular line. And for this, what will be the right side and what will be the left side? So obviously, when you sit here and you are facing towards northward, obviously right side will be your right side and left side will be your left side. So when the person who is sitting under a northward direction, the right and the left is according to what you sit normally. Okay. Now shall we discuss? What is this southward direction? So I think everybody got what is this northward direction, in which what is right side and what is left side. Now let us see what about the south side. What will happen there? Now when the person is sitting in a southward direction, what will be his left and what will be his right? Okay, if you imagine that you people are sitting there in that particular situation, what will happen? Yes, if you observe that, it's exactly the direction is in a opposite sense. So the directions what we suggested for the northward, it will be the reverse way, which is nothing but now in a southward, your right hand part, like the person who is sitting on a south, his right will be where? Towards this side. And what about the left hand side? What will be his direction? Yes, it will be towards this one and it will be towards, the left side direction is in a reverse way. If you compare the northward directions, what will happen? The right side is this way. But when you compare the southward, the right side will be exactly in opposite directions. So, and in a south northward, what you can say? What about the direction in the left hand side, which is this side? And exactly in a southward, it will be in a opposite direction. So you can make a picture saying that whenever you imagine that a person is sitting in a northward direction, what you have to suggest? Yeah, just imagine that what is your right and what is your left. And when a person is sitting in a south direction, it is quite opposite. So if the person, the facing who is in a north direction, his right hand, his left hand is according to you. So when a person is sitting in a south direction, what will happen? Yes, it will be in a reverse direction. So now let us see some basic concepts about the theory of different types which will be coming in a examination part. Okay, if you observe it on a screen, there are two types of questions which are generally asked in the linear arrangements. What are those? So let us read out the first one. Okay, if you read out the first one, observe it. P is third to the right of Q and fourth to the left of R. Now, what do you mean by this? A person who is sitting, a P is third to the right of Q. So whenever you are reading a statement, first of all, go for the right of the Q. Suppose that a person is sitting. Now let us say a person is sitting on a Q. Maybe we can draw one line. Okay. And let us draw one. Okay. Now if you observe that, now if you observe that P is third to the right of Q. Okay. Suppose that P is not in the part right now. Let us put P aside and let us take Q as a part. Okay. Now let us place P. Now he is facing in a northward direction. Suppose that he is facing in a northward direction. P is third to the right of Q. What is the right of Q? When the person is facing in a northward direction, what will be the right of Q? Obviously, that will be your right. So which is on this particular side. So P is third to the right of Q, which means that P is sitting in one position. After first position, second position, third position, who will be present? P will be present. So P is third to the right of Q, which means that for Q, what is the right? Okay, this one is a right side. So this is how the P is arranged. And fourth to the left of R. Now there's a great confusion here. What is a confusion? Fourth to the left of R. Now, who is fourth to the left of R? There's a big confusion, right? Okay. Now if you see, whenever you are getting a situation of AND, okay, directly take the first letter into consideration. So P is third to the right of Q, which we have already placed. And can I write it? Who is fourth? P is only the fourth. Okay. So let us write P is fourth to the P is fourth to the left of R. Listen, a very small trick. Whenever you have an AND, so what you imagine that? Please take the starting letter. Don't take the ending letter. Okay. So P is fourth to the left of R. Now P is already placed. Okay. P is fourth to the left of R. Okay. And who is left of R? P. And you know when R is already placed. So let us take R. So let us take one R. Okay. Now if you take a R, what will happen? Now to the left of R. Now suppose that R is also present and he's on a line. He's also facing northward direction. So what will happen? Left of R. Now when the person is facing on the left hand side, which is nothing but on a northward, his left will be your left, which is on this particular side. So P is fourth to the left of R. So P is fourth. So there are how many places between first place, second place, and third place, and fourth place? So there are 3 places between P and R. And the fourth place will be occupied by things. So for your help, what I can do is I can just make some particular lines. 1, okay. So there are 3 people. So to the left of R, who is sitting at the fourth position? P, which is 1, 2, 3. At the fourth position, who is sitting? P is sitting. Now, in a similar way, when you force for the first one, P is third to the right of Q. So P is third to the right of Q. Third, which is nothing but first, second. So there are how many divisions here? So just drag this one there. So first, second, and third position. So this is how the things are arranged. But remember, this is when it is in a northward direction. And remember, very small trick you have to remember here is nothing but and is a trick where you people have to choose a first letter of the sentence. Now, there are also sometimes what will happen is they will try to use and they also use sometimes but. They'll also use sometimes while. So there are 3 things here. So one is and, another is but, and another is while. So any of these 3 words, if suppose instead of and, now he's using but. So when a but is used, so which one to consider? First letter to consider, which is P. And when while is used, which one to consider? Again P. So remember, whenever you are getting in an exam, and, but, and while, always you have to choose the first P. Hope you understood this. So this is about the question of this. Now, let us go for the another situation, which is P is third to the right of Q, who is fourth to the left of R. So let us see this. So what is the difference you are encountering here? So the sentence is same, but what is the only difference? There is no and here. Yeah. So what is the difference you are encountering? The difference is who. Yes. Now, whenever you are getting a word who, then whom to point it out? Whether it is P or whether it is Q. What is your guess? Exactly. It is nothing but Q. But because we know that and, but, and while is always pointing out to the first letter, obviously any other word which is pointing out will be obviously for Q. So answer is Q. So whenever, shall we arrange this? So whenever you find it, it is not P here, it is Q. So who is fourth? Q is fourth. So I'll just write it down here. So who is fourth to the left of R? Q. So can I remove this P now? Okay. Now who is fourth Q is 4 to the left of R. Left of R is what? When the person is sitting in a northward direction, left is your left, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Who will be sitting here? Q will be sitting. Okay, this is what the right place is. So this is how, friends, you people can understand how to correlate P is third to the right of Q when the conjunction given as and, but, and why. And how to correlate or how to put the people into a linear arrangement when who is given. Okay, so now what we will do, let us give a simple example. How to place when a problems are given for you, when a problems are given, how to place the people on a linear arrangement. See, when you see this example, this is nothing but called a linear arrangements. So in a linear arrangements, what will happen? The people are having one starting point and an ending point. But if you see the circle, what is happening? What is the starting point and what is the ending point? There is no starting and ending point. So in the linear arrangements, be very careful. You cannot place any letter at the start or at end without any proper instructions given according to the conditions. But what you can do? Yes, but in a circular arrangement, you can place it anywhere. You can point it out A, B, C, D. You can place it anywhere. But remember, the starting position, you can place it anywhere. But after that, you have to start depending each one by one. Suppose you are placing A here, then probably according to this position, all the arrangement will be there. But even that A, you cannot place it in a arrangement here. You cannot do that because there is a fixed starting and a ending point. But that is not case in the circle. So whenever you arrange, whenever you start anything, it has to match the instructions properly. It has to match. Otherwise, it is not possible. Now, shall we see the problem? How to arrange the things in a particular order? Shall we see that? Okay. So I will give some time for you people to just go through the particular sum. And then later, we'll try to discuss what actually we have to do with that particular sum. Okay. Okay. So kindly go through this sum. So then we'll try to discuss what actually the things are asked there. Remember, this is about the linear arrangement. So always remember, please take the hints from this only. So whenever you are placing anything on a line, please read the instructions properly. So take a 2 minutes time to understand this problem. Okay, so what you have understood here. So whenever you are starting, so first let us read the first line. 5 topics A, B, C, D, E are to be discussed, 1 topic on each day. Okay, 5 topics A, B, C, D are to be discussed, 1 topic on each day from Monday to Saturday. So when you see Monday to Saturday, how many days are there? So let us do this. Okay, so please make one line so you'll understand. Okay, this is Monday. Okay, so what was given in the question? 5 topics A, B, C, D, E are to be discussed. One topic on each day from Monday to Saturday. So from Monday to Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So how many days are there? 6 days are there. In the 6 days, 5 topics have to be arranged. What are those topics? From A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, so let us read the next point. So we have to arrange this one in a linear, because why did I draw it in a linear? Because we are in a linear arrangements topic. So this line is in a straight line. Okay. Topic A will be discussed before E. What he's saying? Topic A will be discussed before E. Now, whenever you are getting a hint, he's not telling the A is in first position, second position, third, fourth, fifth, or sixth. He's not mentioning that. So what you have to do? Take a hint. Make a indication that A will be discussed before E. That is what is given. So A will be discussed before E. This is my first hint. Hope everybody understood. So topic A will be coming first, then only E. But after how much time? I do not know. So let us read the next one. Topic B will be discussed before D. Now it is given another hint. Topic B will be discussed D. Before D. Okay. Before D, which topic will be coming? B will be coming. Now, topics B and D will not be discussed on a first day. So he has given a very strong thing. Topics B and D will not be discussed on the first day, which means that topic B and D will not be there in the first day, which means that, can we say the B and D will not be present here? Yes. So B and D will not be present here. Okay. Next. There will be one rest day denoted by F. Okay. So let us indicate there will be one rest day that is denoted by F. There will be a gap of 2 days between the days on which topics D and B will be discussed. So there will be a gap of 2 days. So already we know a B and D, in that B will be coming first and D will be coming later. So what is the gap between 2? Okay, 1 and 2. So there is a gap of 2 days between the days on which topic B and D will be discussed. So is there a gap of 2 days? Yes. Okay. Topic C will be discussed immediately before the rest day. Okay. So what about the next point? If you see the next point, topic C will be discussed before the rest day. So you know the rest day is indicated by F. Topic C will be discussed immediately before the rest day. So can I write the sequence in this way? So first it will be C and then it will be F. This is fixed. The rest day will not be on 2nd or 4th. The rest day will not be on 2nd or 4th. Now, if you take, what is the rest day? It is F. So let us make this as red. So make this also as okay. Yes. So what we can do is, so let us instead of using these lines, let us take an alternative one. Okay. So let us read out. The rest day will not be on 2nd or 4th day, which means that rest day will not come on 2nd, 1st, 2nd. This is the 2nd day, right? So yes, will not come on 2nd, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. Even here it will not come. Okay. Now, you know that even B and D will not come in the first position from the condition 1. Topics B and D will not be discussed on first day. So shall we write it down there? B and D will not be discussed on first day. C and F are immediates. Okay. Okay. Now these are the hints given. Now from this, how can we start? Can we start with B? No. In the first place? No. Can we start from here B? Yes, we can start. So let us take B is here. Okay. After two places, first place and second place. After two places, who will be there? D will be there. This is first case. Now there's another case where B will be here. Sorry, B will be in this place and D will be in last place. Other than these two positions, there is no position for B and D. Okay. Now, let us place this C and F. Okay. If you see, can I place C and F here? Can I do that? But F cannot be here in this position, so I cannot do that. Can I place C and F here? which I cannot do that because in this case already D is present. So can I put in this position? Two, three, four, five, six. So C and F position will be here. So C and F cannot be suited. I'm talking about the first condition now. Okay, if I first condition is I'm taking into a right place, then what will happen? C will be here and F will be here, which is not at all suiting with the rules. Then go for the C and F here. Can I do that? But already B is already placed, which I cannot do that. So C and F, which is again not possible in this position because F cannot place here. Again C and F, no. Again D is present here, I cannot do that. Again C and F, no. So if you take the first position, nowhere you can place your, yes. Now let us see the second case. What about the second case? Let us see. In a second case, B is in a third position and D is in the last position. Okay. Now in this case, what will happen? So can I remove this first condition? Can I remove this? Because this is not at all true. Okay. So obviously the next part will be, okay. Now, if you take this one, C and F, no, this is not possible. C and F, is it possible? No, because B is already present. C and F, no, it's not possible. C and F, is it possible? Yes, the only position for C and F is C is here and F is here. Because here you cannot place. Here, yes, F can be placed here. Okay, so B, C, F, D are already placed. Now what about the next one? What is the remaining part? A and D. You know that A and D, A comes first and E after that. So there are only two gaps here. First one is this one and second one is this one, which is nothing but A can be placed here and E can be placed here. Okay. Now we arrange the whole sequence as A, E, B, C, F, D. Hope you understood the problem. See, this is according to the conditions what we have done. Now, shall we answer the questions which are below? Okay. Which of the following is a correct sequence of discussion on the topics, including the rest day? Now, let us see what we got. A, E, B, C, F, D. A, E, B, C, F, D. Can I say third one is a right answer? Yes, third one is a right option. So I can say the first one is, third one is a right option. Now, which of the following is a correct statement? Please go through this. So probably if you have written this, the sequence, then you can directly answer this. Which of the following is a correct statement? Topic A will be discussed on Tuesday. Shall we check that? Topic A is discussed on Monday, not Tuesday. So this is wrong. Discussion on topic C will be immediately preceded by discussion on topic B. Preceded. Okay. What do you mean by that? Topic C is okay and topic B. Okay. The discussion on topic B will be immediately preceded, which is nothing but before. So I can say that so before C, what is that? B. Yes, I can say this is an answer. Discussion on topic B will take place before that of A. No, B is taking after that, maybe in a third position, maybe on Wednesday. Yes, so A is before that only. So this option is wrong. Thursday is a rest day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. No, Thursday is not a rest day because F will not at all come there. Okay, none of this. No, answer is second one. I think second one is a appropriate answer to choose. Okay, let us go for the third one. On which of the following days will the topic C will be discussed? Okay, topic C will be discussed on which day? Shall we see this? Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Answer is none of this. Answer is none of this. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. How many days gap will be there between the days on which topic E and B will be discussed? Topic E. Topic E is here and B. How many days gap? Nil. There is no gap. Do you observe here? E and B. There is no gap. With reference to A, let us see the next question. With reference to A, the discussion on topic E will take place. So let us see. With reference to A, the discussion on a topic E. E is present where? Okay. E is present in the next. So immediately on the next day. Answer is first one. After a day's gap, no. It is actually immediate, right? After A, it is immediate. So answer is 1 for this. So hope you understood what was the basic topic here, right? Okay. So hope you understood the topic about the linear arrangements, how to arrange in a linear way. Okay, so this is how. Kindly practice it. The main thing is you have to be very focused on a direction. When a person is sitting in a northward, what is right and what is left? So what is right? So just imagine yourself. So when a person is sitting in a north, whatever is your right direction, that is what is right direction. And whatever his left direction, that is his left direction. So probably this session has helped you in taking up the problems on linear arrangements. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you very much.